welcome Shivani on this MYB channel to tell about yourself and the career you are pursuing. So today we have with us Shivani Malhotra, who is a co-founder and CEO of Positive Vibes Consulting, and as well as she is award winner from Wiki for HR and Learning Specialist, as well as she is the state president of Haryana Human Resource Council. So please welcome Shivani. So Shivani, please tell us about yourself and the career which you are pursuing.
Sure. First of all, thank you, Rajesh, for inviting me on this platform and wanting to know more about my journey. So pleasure to be here. I started my career, I started my career in the corporate world, post my MBA from SCMHRD Pune. And after having worked extensively in various arenas of HR in companies like DCM Shriram, Yum Brands and KPMG in the Middle East, I started my own venture, Positive Vibes Consulting, in 2016. It is basically an HR and training consulting firm based out of Gurgaon. And of course, when I decided to embark on the journey of entrepreneurship, it was a little difficult decision, leaving a corporate job, leaving a senior position. But something in me told me that I can do this. I can create something of my own, nurture it and watch it grow. And very, very glad to have been able to take up that leap of faith, in 2016 and started this Positive Vibes Consulting. And it's been a surreal journey since then.
Okay, great. What services you provide and what is the USPs of your, whatever is your venture is?
Sure. So our company is a specialized consulting firm, an HR consulting firm, like I said, and we are primarily operating in 4 areas. First one is corporate training, corporate trainings and learning. So over the last 4 years, we've been able to onboard some very reputed and prestigious Indian and multinational companies for whom we do training programs and HR advisory projects. Team Positive Vibes has successfully designed and conducted many programs, training programs on complex behaviors, leadership effectiveness, and many other, HR and soft skill areas for many Indian and multinational companies. Some of our unique learning and development offerings for corporates are the Big Leap program, which we do for the leadership teams of various corporates. Then we have a program for people who begin their corporate journey, so straight from campus. So it's called Yahan Ke Hum Sikandar, and it's a program which facilitates a smooth transition from campus to corporate life.
Okay.
And most importantly, and very proud to say that Positive Vibes has done extensive work in the areas of women empowerment and leadership. We've pioneered many women-centric programs in corporate India. So, for example, we've successfully incubated a program on self-defense for women across various corporates, which encourages women, to think and build mental and physical strength for their own safety.
Okay.
We've also incubated a program called Breaking the Glass Ceiling, which is for women in leadership roles, which is a hugely motivating program for women leaders, wherein they learn simple and effective tools to overcome barriers in their careers and rise up the corporate ladder.
Okay.
Without any fears and inhibition. And, prior to the pandemic, we were running a wellness program in a few companies called Healthy Bodies and Healthy Minds, but it was restricted to physical wellness and nutrition. But post the pandemic, we realized that wellness is much more than just the physical aspect. So we curated a virtual program on holistic wellness that comprises of physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, financial, and intellectual wellness. And we introduced this at one of the leading corporate houses on the occasion of Women's Day this year.
Okay, great.
So yeah, so that's about the corporate trainings that we do. We are also specialized. We're also specialists on POSH, which is prevention of sexual harassment, and diversity and inclusion. So we are leading projects for clients on end-to-end design and implementation of POSH initiatives, which means starting from the POSH policy to institutionalizing it in the company through awareness sessions and the ICC capability sessions for the corporates. And we're also leading diversity and inclusion programs for a few companies in India, wherein we are helping them with their diversity initiatives. Then, we're also into HR consulting, where we offer advisory services to clients on setting up strategic HR processes, introducing OD initiatives, creating and institutionalizing e-learning modules, and any other HR-related expertise that they want from us. And finally, we have, also started running professional courses from last year, because we realized that the current pandemic has hit the economy very badly, wherein unfortunately a lot of young and bright people have lost their jobs, or they're struggling to retain their jobs.
Okay.
So Team Positive Vibes, with an endeavor to help such professionals and mentor them, with our combined experience of 30 years in the corporate world, we are offering specialized skill-based certification courses at affordable costs.
Okay.
And our professional certification courses have been accredited by SHRM, which is Society of Human Resources Management, a very popular and credible HR organization. And we are amongst the only 5 HR consulting firms in India to have received this accreditation from SHRM.
Okay.
And so telling you more about these courses, at the moment, we have 4 certification courses that we are running very successfully.
Okay.
These are HR Generalist Certification course, HR Business Partner Certification, HR Analytics Practitioner course, and Enhance Your Employability Quotient, a program that we run to create a personal brand for yourself in the organization. Our courses are 100% practical and they are case study based. And one of the key differentiators and value add is that we make the participants job ready.
Oh.
So we are not just, concentrating on teaching HR to them, or of course that is that is an integral part of the course. But what's also important is that after doing the course, they should be able to get a job of their choice.
Okay.
Or at least, do well in their current roles. So we, mentor them on, how they can build a strong CV. I personally do mock interviews with my mentees to prepare them for clearing interviews. And very proud to say that, this has helped many of our participants to find jobs that they were aspiring for in a long time, even in this pandemic. Oh. So that's been a great, a very gratifying feeling that is. And last but not the least, we also offer professional mentoring services where I provide specialized one-on-one professional mentoring on interviews, building a good CV, building a good image, communication, public speaking, how to, speak confidently, and networking, for people looking out for jobs. And also HR expertise mentoring on how to create and implement strategic HR processes in an organization for experienced professionals. So this is what we do at Positive Vibes Consulting.
Great.